What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Beating the Beast. We got Kyle here again.
Hey, how's it going, everyone?
So today's gonna be something a little bit different. I've got a problem here where I live. My problem, well, it's not my neighbor's. It's my neighbor's tree. It's a pussy willow tree, and for those of you that don't know, they like to land on your cars and kind of muss up your paint a little bit. I've got a couple over here. If I can find them. Here they are. And they don't wash out, unfortunately. You gotta like buff it, clay bar it, whatever. It's just not a good time. So I'm gonna solve my problem this year. And what I've done is I got myself a nice garage in a box.
Garage in a box.
That's from our last video, for those of you who haven't seen. Check out the link above. So, yeah, hopefully we're gonna cover this up. It's a little bigger than what I need, but the plan is to be able to do some work around the car while I have it in there. So be able to stay out of the elements, which is nice.
Plus, who isn't a sucker for Canadian Tire sales?
I mean, Americans?
I guess, yeah. Yes.
Alright guys, so we got the time lapse set up here for you. Watch along. Alright guys, so we opened everything up, sorted everything out. Looks like everything is here. Not sure 100% about the hardware yet, just because we haven't opened up the bags. Canvas there. Overall, it's looking actually like a pretty nice kit. Everything's labeled pretty well. Looks like the instructions are going to be easy to read. So, yeah. Keep watching.
guys, well, welcome back to the channel Beauty and the Beast. If you haven't subscribed or anything, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Anyways, you're back from the time lapse that you saw. Hopefully you enjoyed it. It was the garage in a box, and it is finally complete. You know, it says it'll take 2 hours. Yeah, it might have taken a few more hours than that. You know, if you guess the time down below in the comments, and we'll see who's right. But anyways, as you can see here, we got a different vehicle here. It's a Subaru, the hatchback. And that is not one of Jacob's or my cars. It is actually one of our good friends, Joe. As you saw him in the time lapse a little bit. Here's Joe in the time lapse. And Joe, tell us a bit of your car. Take us around.
Sure, yeah. Basically, I haven't done too much to it. Maybe I'll just I'll flip the camera around and show you a bit here. I got the OEM gold rims on it. Some cheapy Ovation tires for now. What else have I done? It's been lowered on iBox springs, and it's got a MagnaFlow muffler. And I'm not sure if it has a catback exhaust or anything yet, as I haven't really checked too much under there. And then inside, I haven't done too much to it. A couple little, you know, just looky mods, and that's about it. So yeah, I'll hand you back to Kyle here and see what he's got to say.
Well, guys, it's been a fun night, and yeah.
It's working already. Frick these stupid things.
Well, Jacob, I guess this is exactly why you built this tent, right?
This is it. Keep that damn pussy willow off my car.
Yeah. Like you guys saw, it was already doing its job.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. You know, like you said already, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments what you liked. And we're going to have some more content coming soon with Joe. He's going to be doing lots of work. Wow.
Yep.
So lots of work to that STi he's got. And yeah, it's going to be a good time. We got some meets coming up, a couple car shows.
Yep. And don't forget to put on the comments how long you thought it took us to build this tent. Remember, the box said it should take 2 hours. So how long do you think we took?
It's dark now, by the way.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Peace.